It's Jeremy's birthday today. First birthday! Happy birthday, anak!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jeremy. Happy birthday to you.
Love you.
It's your firstborn day. Huh?
Okay, prepare na natin yung mga milk ni Jeremy dahil we're gonna spend the day outside. Kahit maulan sa birthday ni Jeremy. Pero nung napanganak si Jeremy, di ba ano Dan? Maaraw na yun.
Ang cute ng Jeremy, oh.
Sakto, he loves trucks. Anything truck. Ito ang routine. Pagkaalis kami, dapat may baong dede ang balong. Nagpo-formula na siya. We are starting to switch Jeremy to homogenized milk. Kasi yesterday was his 12-month checkup, and then we got a clearance from the doctor that it's okay now to transition him to cow's milk. Yay! He first had his cow's milk last night, and nadede naman niya. Pero inuubos namin yung formula niya dito. Kasi sayang naman, napakamahal. Ito yung formula na iniinom niya. Dati Infamil kami, but sobra siyang mag-constipate doon. But ever since we started this formula, not sponsored by the way, hindi na siya na-constipate. Never na, no, Dad? Ganda na nung tae niya. So, mauna na kaya ako.
Saan?
Sa cake. Noong oras na eh.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
So, we are on our way to pick up Jeremy's free birthday cake from Thrifty Foods. So, we're glad that they're giving out free cakes on his birthday. And if you want to get a free birthday cake, just call them and then just bring your child's birth certificate and then you'll get a free cake. Right, Jeremy? Jeremy is now learning how to play with his stuffies. And this is Coco. Is that Coco, anak? Wala siyang shoes. Nakalimutan na yung shoes niya. Ay, nako. Mamadali. Say one. One. Okay, let's pick up the cake. Saan ba yung bakery nila? There's the bakery. Beep beep! Gaya niya tayo siguro no? Where are your crayons? Here, Jeremy.
Plastic pen lang ako.
Birthday din natin today as parents. Nalalahan yun. Here, look. You color the pancake. Red. Red. Ay, no. Red. Look.
Yummy potato for breakfast.
He's got free breakfast at Dennis. Happy birthday, Jeremy!
Naka-record ito?
Happy birthday!
How do I take a photo?
Meron naman na tayong tatlo eh. Kain na tayo.
Hello, Jeremy.
to... Where are we going, Daddy?
Project Playland.
Project Playland at Langley. Nakapunta na si Jeremy noon doon, pero si Mommy hindi pa. So, magpi-play si Jeremy sa Playland. Okay, anak? Say bye-bye! Kagigising lang niya. Lunch naman kami ngayon after taking Jeremy sa Playland. Na-enjoy niya yung Playland kasi wala, naglalaro lang talaga siya. He enjoyed it. Right, Malong? Sa likod na siya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jeremy. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Anak!
Blow, blow, blow ka na.
Let's do the candle first. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yay! Happy first birthday, Anak! Gusto mo balok? Okay, ready to smash the cake?
Yes. Let's